Your legs are aging faster than you realize. But this morning habit can change everything. After 60, you lose up to 8% of your muscle mass every decade. Your legs, the foundation of your independence, weaken first. But here's what doctors don't tell you. The right breakfast can literally rebuild your leg strength while you sleep. I'm going to show you 5 scientifically backed breakfast foods that target leg weakness at the cellular level. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple morning routine that could be the difference between walking confidently at 80 or needing help getting around. Ready to feel stronger? Let's dive in. Number 1. Eggs, your leg muscle's best friend. Here's why eggs are magic for seniors. They're loaded with leucine, an amino acid that literally signals your muscles to grow stronger. Think of leucine as a construction foreman telling your leg muscles, time to rebuild. Just 2 eggs at breakfast deliver 25 grams of complete protein, exactly what your aging legs crave. And here's the kicker. Your body absorbs egg protein 94% more efficiently than most other sources. Number 2. Greek yogurt, the balance booster. Greek yogurt packs double the protein of regular yogurt, but that's not the real secret. It's the calcium and probiotics working together. Better gut health means better nutrient absorption, which means stronger bones and steadier balance. Pro tip: choose plain Greek yogurt with live cultures. Your legs will thank you in 30 days. Comment FIT if you're ready to wake up with stronger legs. But wait, food number 4 is the one that surprised me the most. It's sitting in most fridges right now, but 90% of seniors eat it wrong. Number 3. Oatmeal, your circulation superhero. Steel-cut oats are packed with magnesium and iron that literally pump more oxygen into your leg muscles. Better circulation means less fatigue, fewer cramps, and legs that feel energized all day long. The secret? Add berries for antioxidants that fight muscle inflammation. Your legs get stronger while you're reducing pain. Number 4. Cottage cheese, the overnight muscle builder. Here's what shocked me. Cottage cheese contains casein protein that works while you sleep. It slowly releases amino acids for up to 8 hours, rebuilding your leg muscles overnight. Plus, the B12 and calcium support nerve function, meaning better coordination and fewer stumbles. Number 5. Avocado, the cramp crusher. Avocados deliver potassium and magnesium, the 2 minerals that stop leg cramps dead in their tracks. But here's the bonus. The healthy fats reduce joint inflammation, keeping your legs flexible and pain-free. Real talk, half an avocado at breakfast could eliminate those midnight leg cramps that wake you up. Here's the thing most people miss. Your body builds the most muscle in the first 2 hours after eating protein. This is why breakfast timing is everything. Imagine waking up tomorrow knowing your legs are getting stronger with every bite. Want my complete anti-aging morning routine? I've put together all my top tools, supplements, and meal plans in one place. Check the link in my channel bio. It's everything I personally use to stay strong after 60. Subscribe and hit that bell to stay strong after 50, and watch this next. This 5-minute morning routine adds 30 years to your life. It's the perfect companion to what you just learned. Your stronger legs start tomorrow morning. Let's do this together.